Hello friends, welcome to TurboSci channel. When customers install multiple TBS8904 tuner cards in the TBS2952 or TBS8510 server to scan DVB-S2/S2X channels, two common questions are: which tuner am I actually connecting my satellite signal to? Why I can't lock the signal? First, let's clarify the tuner order with two simple diagrams. When TBS2952 streaming server is equipped with 4 TBS6904 DVB-S2/S2X tuner cards, the tuner order is assigned from the bottom card to the top, from left cards to right cards. When TBS8510 Pro Video transcoder is equipped with 4 TBS6904 DVB-S2/S2X tuner cards, the tuner order is assigned from the bottom card to the top too. And second, let's configure the tuners in Kylone and scan DVB-S2/S2X channels step by step. Now let's log into Kylone and begin setting up the transponders for channel scanning. First, go to the Live Streams section and open Transponders page. Create new record, enter a name for your transponders and select the DVB-S2/S2X signal type. Then click Save. This will take you to the parameters configuration page. Next, enter the required parameters such as frequency, symbol rate, and polarization. Once completed, click Save again. Now click Scan and choose a tuner to detect and lock the signal. The signal is now successfully locked. For the final step, assign the transponder to the desired tuner. Now you can see all the scanned channels listed here. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and product updates from TBS.